Today, on the Super Brick Building channel, we're going to learn how to make this Lego robot. So, let's get started. First, we're going to take this 4x4 piece and lay it down. Next, we're going to take this square piece and put it on top. And then we're going to click on some door pieces. Click them on like this. And like this. And I already have the other one set up, as you can see here. Next, we're going to take this 2x1 piece with a clip on the side of it and put it on the sides of our robot. Next, we're going to put on these slanted pieces and click them on the front of our robot and on the back of our robot too. Then, after that, we're going to put on this 2x2 brown piece and put it in the middle of our robot. If I can click it on there. There we go, I got it in. Next, we're going to put this 2x4 pink piece on top of our robot. Next, we're going to build the arm of the robot. And to do that, we're going to take this 2x1 piece with a rod at the end of it, and then put a 1x1 piece with a little thing on the side of it, and it should look like this. Next, we're going to take this curved piece and put it on the top of our arm. Then we're going to go and we're going to click this arm onto the side of our robot. And I already have the other arm finished. Next, we're going to put this turntable piece on top of our robot so we can turn our head. Next, we're going to make our head. To do that, we're going to put a 2x2 blue piece on top of our turntable piece. And then we're going to put some clear pieces on top of our blue piece so we can make our mouth. Next, we're going to take these pieces with handlebars on the side and put them on the back of our robot head to make ears. It should look like this. After that, we're going to put these pieces with studs on the side to make it so we can put our eyes on our robot. After that, we're going to put a 4 studded piece with one stud on top, and then we're going to put a glitter cone piece on top. Next, we're going to put on the eyes of our robot where we still have remaining studs on our head. And it should look like this. Next, we're going to make the wheels and tires of our robot so our robot can move. So we're going to stick the wheel into the tire, and we're going to do that again like this, and then we're going to attach it to our axle like this. Then we're going to stick it on the bottom of our robot. And I already have the other one finished. And there we have it, our completed Lego robot. You can also open the doors and spin the head around and move the arms. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below. I would love to see what you want me to build next. And thanks for watching the Super Brick Building channel. Bye-bye.